So today I did a small experiment. I wanted to find out the best way to protect our patients that we'd be injecting once the lockdown ended, because obviously the virus doesn't disappear at the end of the lockdown. And there's always other viruses, and so I looked at a number of different masks. So the first one was the surgical face mask, which you would normally see as the blue, kind of that color. The N95 mask, the visor that I had made that I attached to these safety goggles, as well as some new additions. So I used a vape, just a vape with no nicotine in it, just so you know there's no nicotine in there. And I used the UV light to try to capture the smoke. So let's see what those results look like. If we watch this, we can see why the social distancing does actually matter. This is more like what a sneeze would be like, although a sneeze would project much further. What we can see is that the best way to protect patients is probably to wear something a lot like this and to sort of tuck that in. Even if it's not totally tucked in, the smoke doesn't really flow through it and doesn't flow around it. So we would be protecting our patients in a very good way. I would also look at other ways, because we want to just make sure that we can sleep at night knowing that we hadn't or that we had done everything that we could do to avoid spreading any types of infections.